Good evening. Some interesting development took place in Pakistan, wherein in the upper house of Pakistan's parliament, which they call Senate, the finance minister of Pakistan, Mr. Hafiz Sheikh, he lost his election to the joint candidate of the opposition. And this is a big shock actually for the present government of PTI led by Mr. Imran Khan. And why so? Because when the voting of upper house, that is the Senate of Pakistan, takes place, it is not a direct election. The voters are the members, the elected members of the lower house, which is known as the National Assembly. And the total strength of the National Assembly is 342, and anybody needs 172 members to lead the government. That is, anybody who is short of the count of 172, or call it the magical figure of 172, doesn't have a right to lead the government, because then that group or that individual leading the government goes into minority. And right now the Imran Khan led government is a coalition government wherein PTI, the party of Imran Khan, is having 157 members of National Assembly, and the coalition which he has formed is having 178 members, and minimum mark he needs is 172, so he is having 6 members more than the minimum count required. Now what happened when the Senate, voting for the Senate, and especially that one seat of Islamabad, wherein Mr. Hafiz Sheikh, the existing finance minister, was contesting the election, and he lost the election to Mr. Gilani, Yusuf Gilani, who is the former Prime Minister of Pakistan. And interestingly, the existing finance minister got 164 vote versus 169 vote of Mr. Gilani. And now when he has got 164 votes, this means that out of 178 members of the government coalition, he has got votes of just 164 members. And anybody needs the mark of 172 to stay in power. That this means that the government of Pakistan led by Mr. Imran Khan is a minority government, so that government will automatically fall. And that is the reason tomorrow, that is Saturday, Mr. Imran Khan has called for confidence vote. Now let's see what will happen. But now, as far as my analysis goes, whatever will happen tomorrow, that is on Saturday, in the confidence vote, whether Mr. Imran Khan survives it or whether he doesn't. If he doesn't survive, his government is going to fall on Saturday itself. But even if he survives, his government is not going to I don't think that his government is going to survive for even for next 6 months. And why I am saying so? Because some developments had taken place within few weeks, and this shows that now this government is not on the same page what he used to claim, that military establishment and Imran Khan's government are on the same page. Now it looks that that same page has been torn. And why I am saying so? Because a few weeks back there was a by-election in Sialkot, and there were allegations that huge scale of rigging took place from the government side, that is from PTI. And the Election Commission of Pakistan, it actually nullified that election. So if Mr. Imran Khan's government is having backing from the military, the powerful military of Pakistan, and it is rightly said that all countries have their military, but Pakistani military have got a country in its pocket. So that powerful military, if it was supporting Mr. Imran Khan's led PTI government, then I don't think that Election Commission of Pakistan can dare to nullify an election in which what you can say, a lot of things were on stake for Imran Khan's prestige as well as the prestige of his government. So he got a dark spot on his face just few weeks back, and now what happened yesterday, that his own coalition members did not voted for his candidate. So these two things, they say, and what I am analyzing, that he has lost the faith of military. And you can also get some, you can also analyze some things by looking at the way the opposition is behaving there, because in past few months, even during the time of coronavirus, when it was on the peak, the opposition was having huge anti-government rallies, and that PML, which is headed by Mr. Nawaz Sharif, and PML, yes, Mr. Nawaz Sharif and his daughter Maryam Nawaz, they were accusing the powerful military of Pakistan, and so much so that the echo was even heard within the ranks of people, common people. I was watching one video. I do not use such language in my videos, but a video came, and wherein it was from Punjab, and people were using the word Bajwa General, slogan Bajwa General Kutta hai. That means the General Bajwa is a dog. That means people are going anti-military establishment of Pakistan, and but in past few weeks we are not seeing that kind of attack by Maryam Nawaz and Nawaz Sharif on the military establishment. So this shows that there might be some dealing between the opposition and military. And Mr. Yusuf Gilani, who defeated the existing finance minister in the Senate election, he is from PPP, the Bhutto's party, and both Bhutto's parties and Nawaz Sharif's party are working hand in glove. They are working together, and it looks like there is some kind of understanding between the powerful military as well as the opposition. So right now he is not Mr. Imran Khan and his government are not bright stars in the eyes of military establishment. So that is the reason all these things are going on with him. He is losing one election, then election commission is also not supporting him, then his own coalition members or maybe even his own party members are not voting for his own finance minister, and his government, it looks like it is in minority right now. So even if he acquires vote of confidence on Saturday, because when Senate elections takes place, it is a secret ballot, but when vote of confidence will take place, it will be open. So even if he saves his government's life in the vote of confidence, I don't think that he will survive for next 6 months, because right now he is not a bright star in the eyes of military, because the way opposition is directly attacking military and public is echoing the same sentiment, military is also under pressure. So I think the days of Mr. Imran Khan's government is limited. Thank you.